Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Michelle and she's come in today for a redesign. So I've done all the usual stuff that I do. I removed the clear layer. No, I didn't. I removed her previous design back down to the clear layer. Well, as thin as I could. It was a blue I used. So some were pretty stubborn. Some of it was pretty stubborn, yes. But it's cool. So now we're going in with design. So here I'm using one of the new CJP's colours. They've got a few colours. I think this is Elephant. But again, I'll leave everything in the description box. And I'm just creating a fall now of that. So the ring finger is going to be a full glitter now. I'm using Diamond Glitters Opalite. It is hilarious. I don't know what it's called. Opalite, God knows. I'll leave it in the description box of how it's spelled, and it's probably completely wrong because I'm thick. So that's just going to be a fall out of that. So I said in my previous video that this camera angle was an absolute no-no, and like the fingers were blocking the view, and this was one of the videos that it was majorly blocked. So I do apologise, don't worry, I'm just going to change it back to how I usually did it. I just wanted to try something different and it didn't work, so whatevs. So now I'm going in with I'm creating like a stripy marble sort of thing. So I'm using that, I'm pretty sure it's Elephant, but don't confirm me on that. These are new colours, I'm getting used to them. This purple acrylic was one from Missu. I've only got 2 of their acrylics and I've never actually really used them, but I did today. So that's what that is. And then the white is coconut milk. So yeah, I'm just kind of creating a stripy marble, but you can't see anything because I'm the worst camera person. So yeah, just enjoy. So I just added a little bit of glitter, and I'm using a reflex from Glitter Planet. You know, I have my own one that is similar to Reflex called Tracy Lou, but she also said she wanted a few more chunkier ones in it, so we went for a Reflex, which is just as obviously stunning. So yeah, just gonna place a few of those glitter flakes all over the nail, wherever I thought would look pretty. Not too many, just enough. So then onto the pointer finger, it was a ombre using the grey and this colour from Missu. I don't know why I've just skipped straight to this part. I must have forgot to record the grey part. Killer, so I apologise about that, or maybe it was just completely out of view. But do you see what I mean? Like, completely out of view. I think I'm going to have to pull the camera up a little bit. Oh, either that or just change it back completely. But look at it, how stunning. This lilac and grey just goes together like perfect. So stunning. And I wanted to add a little bit extra glitter, so I'm just using the same glitter Reflex. I'm just going to create my back to front S. It wasn't even like an S, it was just like a trail across the nail, hoping to be in an S shape. And so the thumb is going to be a full nail of the grey. So the brush that I'm using today is the Glitter Planet Aqua brush. I've absolutely, like, I must work really, like, messy because I've ruined all my brushes. My Glitter Planet's brushes I've just ruined. I don't know what I've done. And then with my magic stick, I've even filed it. I've tried to file the stickiness off, but they still work perfectly fine. They're just ugly. The Aqua brush isn't so ugly, but it just gets a little bit sticky from where I'm holding it, but that's just my fault. It's not anything to do with the brush. So once I've done all that, I'm going to cap all the nails in crystal glass. So now I'm going to come in with my hand file and just perfect the shape, get that stiletto nice and sharp and pointy again. I love reshaping stilettos. I don't know why. I love getting them nice and crisp and literally so sharp. So sharp you wouldn't feel a thing. That's from Coraline. That's what, did you know Coraline's my favourite film? Yep, it's my fave. And like I always say, if I ever got dogs, I'd get two. I'd get one boy and a girl, and I'd call one Coraline and one YB. After Coraline, obviously. So if you haven't watched Coraline, go and watch it because I love it. So yeah, once I've done all that, I'm going to come in with my Efile and whiz over all the nails, and just flatten out and debulk and all that good stuff that you know that I do. So that was me just buffing the nails lovely and smooth. She goes and gives them a wash, and now we're ready for top coat. So I'm using my trusted CJP tack-free top gloss, just applying a nice thin layer of that over all the nails. Look at this middle finger. I even leave it in slow-mo for you because you know we're all about the slow-mo on the best nails. So once I've applied that, I then cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I apply some cuticle oil. I use cherry from Naff stuff. Honestly, smells insane. Actually smells like cherry bakewell, and I love cherry bakewells. Oh my god, I want a cherry bakewell now. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really love it if you did. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.